the Virome, which is not often talked about because we always think that, oh yeah, they're there, but they're not part of the tree of life, right? So obviously we care about them. But here we were able to also query that. So we wanted to ask the question as to what is the distribution of viruses, specifically RNA viruses, or the RNA viromes that you would find in these urban or peri-urban regions associated in proximity to the urban sites. And from there, we just published last month in Nature Communication the study where we looked at the diversity and distinct characteristics of global RNA virome in urban and peri-urban environments. So the staggering readouts from here is specific metatranscriptomics that was done, and we had close to 3,000 metatranscriptomes across 31 countries and 102 cities. And in terms of the operational units that were identified, these were close to 50. And 77% of those OTUs from the virome side were completely novel and previously unobserved in the realm of the biological or the microbial world, right? So which is actually, if you think about it, we are literally scratching the surface when it comes to viruses, and we don't know how they operate and what they're doing there. That actually brings the moot point as to what are they doing? What are they doing in there? What is the kind of homogenization effect it is bringing on board? And the more and more we get urbanized, they're selectively collecting populations of these RNA viruses, right? So if you look at this funnel, in the peri-urban reservoirs which are not core urban, you have a distribution of natural environments that have soil and sediments. They still maintain high biodiversity and ecological distinctiveness. And there's also fungi and plants which are dominating the core virome, because viruses associated with plants and fungi are a little different. But when it comes to the urban side, these are viruses that are associated with the human hosts, as well as some of these influences coming in from the habitats like wastewater treatment reservoirs and so on. So there's enough statistical confidence that we can push and sort of interpret that this anthropogenic pressure is diminishing the distinct ecological niche, but at the same time creating a very homogenized way of the virus distribution. And we see these patterns where we can pick up indicators from the virus phyla for built environments, for hospital environments, and terrestrial or trans-based environments, or aquatic reservoirs.